Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm bringing you some recipes, some ideas that you can use. In this case, it's a snack or a side that you can use with your steak. This is more for anyone, of course, can use it, but I would say that it's more adequate for keto carnivore diets. So we have the chicken. The chicken skin, sorry, that will be I will put here in this and I will diatrate. It will be diatrated so that it becomes really crackling and you can taste it with your meal. I will just put it in a plate with some salt and then take it to the dehydration. Okay, so now I'll just put the salt. As I said, this can be very good as a side. These are organic chicken skin. It's 250 milligrams. I believe it costs around €5. They are coming from an organic farm, and as you can see, I'm putting some salt, the salt that I usually use. Actually, I'm trying this salt for 1 month, and so I'm happy with it so far. And now I'm just taking it to the oven, okay, to be dehydrated. Okay, I'll put 90 degrees and 2 hours. I believe it will be fine. Otherwise, I will need to put a bit more. So the dehydration already started. Thank you guys. See you in a bit. So back again to our to check our chicken skin. How was what is the result of the dehydration? So basically, I had to put it in. So it was taking too much time. So I remember that I should have put it in water and boil it. So I did it, and so it's now much better. And now I will fry them to see. So I'm applying the same procedure as it was pork skin. Not sure if it will be if it will have or not a good result, because it's the first time I'm doing that process for chicken skin. Usually chicken skin, I just put them in the air fry. This time I apply the same procedure as I apply for pork rings or pork skin, to do those calls pork rings or chicharrones. So I will fry them now, the chicken skin, and to see what will be the result. See you in a bit, guys. So I will be using duck fat. Let's see if it works nice or not. So let's give it a try. Hopefully it will work. I will then add the already dehydrated chicken skin. Let's see how it goes. yeah, they start to look pretty, to be honest. Let's see if it worth the effort, because it was a lot of effort and also investment, I would say, because a couple of hours, like 4 or more hours dehydrating them, and then, but of course I didn't do it as I should, because I should have boiled them first. But anyway, then I had to boil them, and now I'm frying them. I will not even remove them, so I will not put them in a paper towel to remove the excess of oil, because this is duck fat, so it's a good fat. So I will try to, to benefit from it. So this is the final result. Let's test if they are crunchy. More or less. It's because they have a lot of fat. It's not only the skin, so that's the reason why they don't become so crispy as I would say the pork skin, if it's really only pork skins. No, otherwise it will have the same result. So thank you for watching, and here we have the chicken skin, I would say chicharrones, chicken skin version. It will be used as a snack, or can be used as a snack or a side if you are eating on a keto or carnivore diet. Thank you for watching.